Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how you can insert current date, current time, and current date time to your Excel with keyboard shortcut. So here it will not update automatically. It's just a value, and another is just value too. Okay, let me show you how to insert current date. So current date, just press Control and semicolon. Boom, you got it. Another again, Control semicolon. Okay, so Control plus semicolon. That is the key. For the current time, Control Shift semicolon. Boom. Okay. Again, Control Shift semicolon. Plus another semicolon like that. What about insert current date and time in one cell with shortcut? Okay, let me show you the trick. So first of all, you want date. Okay, so press Control semicolon. You got it, and leave a space with spacebar, and then Control Shift semicolon. Boom, you got it. So it is a value. You can change it if you want. Again, Control semicolon stay. Control Shift semicolon. Boom, you got it. Okay. So just me copy this one. Okay, this one like this, and here you have another space plus space plus control shift plus semicolon. Something like that. Okay. Okay. Hope you learned something from the video. If you have any question, let me know. See you next time.